Good day, guys. Hi, welcome to the ABC Road and channel again. Today I have a Nissan Navara with me. It was detected with the when you do an initial scan, it was detected with the code P0217 engine overheat. And also customer experience when it's ignition, the engine, it just accelerate and then it low down. It's a symptom actually of overheating. But before I looking into that perspective, there are lists that we have to consider. Keep in mind, it could be a faulty cooling fan, faulty thermostat valve, the faulty engine temperature sensor. That is exactly what has happened in this engine. Maybe a cooling fan, the electrical connector is it's short or it's broken. Maybe a improper ignition timing, radiator block, or the coolant leak. There are multiple areas to looking into that, or also it possible the broken or the non-functional water fan. So these all are come into one bucket to resolve the engine overheat issue. But especially when you have improper ignition timing, so you can hear on when I start in the engine, it starts and then it just accelerate and then lower down. So this is the exact symptom of the faulty temperature sensor. So I'm going to show you up or how to replace the temperature sensor. And then I'm starting it, and then I'm doing a scan, and then I can see it cleared. So sometimes, most of the times, mechanics are they spend the times to troubleshoot this issue. So by the time it troubleshoot, customer pocket probably they compromise until you guys or they drill down to the narrow down to the right issue. Listen very carefully the throttle response of this. So we have replaced the temperature sensor now, and listen very carefully how the engine startup sounds been changed.